Hello everyone, my name is Keisha. I am the creator of Brown Sugar by Keisha Janan. It is a line of handmade natural skincare products, and today I just wanted to pop on and talk about how to change your skincare routine with the seasons. So the seasons are changing. We're coming out of summer and going into fall, and the air is getting a little bit drier. It's getting cooler. Well, hopefully it's getting cooler where you are. I'm in Hawaii, so the weather is pretty much the same year round, but I know a lot of people, the weather changes kind of drastically. And I just wanted to give you some tips on how to change your skincare routine to fit the weather, especially in kind of the transition from summer to fall and then going into winter. It's kind of not really dry and cold, but it's not as hot as it is in the summer. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you're moisturizing your skin and you're drinking enough water. So that's kind of always throughout the year. What you need to do is make sure that you're moisturizing your skin and you're drinking enough water. The next thing is to kind of switch up the moisturizer type that you're using. So in the summer when it's hot and it's a little bit more humid, you might want to use something lighter, like an oil. And so actually in Hawaii, I use an oil maybe 3 days out of the week. And then the other 4 days out of the week, I do use a heavier butter. So I just kind of alternate days. So like every other day I'll use an oil, and then the opposite days I'll use a butter, and that's how I keep my skin moisturized without feeling like it's clogging my pores. So it just kind of depends on your personal preference and your skin type. So in the summer you would probably use an oil more often. So in the fall you want to start using the butter more often as it gets colder and drier. And just kind of as a side note, if you live somewhere where it's really hot and dry, you might just want to use the butter more often. So if it's hot and dry, you would want to follow the same protocol as somewhere that's cold and dry. So it's really just the key is that if it's drier, then you want to use a heavier moisturizer, and that would be a butter. So just to kind of let you know how to apply these products, like as soon as you get out of the shower, you pat yourself dry, and then you put the oil or the butter on while your skin is still kind of damp and your pores are open. That'll keep it from feeling greasy and sitting on top of your skin. So your pores are open and your skin is damp, so you're actually sealing in the water that your skin absorbed in the shower. And then because your pores are open, the oil or the butter will be able to go into your skin a little. It'll absorb better, so you won't have that greasy feel that you have if you just put an oil or a butter which is not an emulsified water mix, which is some body butters, some things that are labeled body butters are actually just really thick lotions that have water in it. So if it's a product that does not have water in it, you want to put it on your skin while your skin is damp, and this is year round. So just knowing that, and then going from there. So in the winter, well, in the fall, and as it gets closer and closer to winter, you want to start using the butter more often. So instead of, every other day, you might want to use the butter like 3 days in a row, and then use the oil, and then use the butter another 3 days in a row. Just kind of following how your skin feels throughout the day. So if you use an oil one day and you realize by the end of the day your skin feels really dry, then you need to start using the butter more often. So that's how I transition my skincare through different seasons and different climates. I do travel, so I do kind of sometimes experience this on a shorter scale, or a shorter time frame. I don't really have time to transition. So every year I go on I'm a musician as well, by the way. So every year I go on a Christmas tour and I travel across the United States. So coming from Hawaii and then going to Georgia and then going to the West Coast and then going to the Midwest. The weather is actually drastically different. And then also sitting on the plane, your skin gets really dry there too. So it just kind of, you just have to pay attention to your body and listen to what your skin needs. So if by the end of the day your skin is really dry and it feels dry, then you know the next time you moisturize you need to use something heavier, and then continue using the heavier product. And so that's really all I wanted to talk about. That's really the only trick for transitioning your skin through the seasons, is just kind of being aware of, you know, the fact that if the weather is getting drier, you want to use something heavier to moisturize. That, or you could just moisturize more often, but you know, who has time for that? So that is my trick. If you have any questions, let me know. I also have a beauty club, so I post a lot of kind of get ready with me and my tips. I also do kind of, I do recipes like face mask recipes and stuff like that. The last week I hennaed my eyebrows. So if you're interested in joining my beauty club, head to NaturalBeautyClub.info and you can join there. This week on Friday, I'm going to a ball, so I'm actually going to be doing my makeup on camera, so you can, I don't know, see how I do my makeup for this ball. I might do my hair too. It depends. I'm not really sure yet if I want to do my hair on camera, but you can head to NaturalBeautyClub.info and then you'll be able to join my beauty club and get ready with me sometimes, or just kind of see my skincare recipes. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you found this helpful, please share this with your friends or tag them. Also, let me know in the comments what you would like to hear from me, what your major beauty concern is. If you have any questions, I would love to hear them. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.